Tide rip. Uncovered. Hey learners! Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, tide rip. If you've ever been near the ocean or been reading about it, you might have come across this term. But what does it really mean? Let's find out. Before we delve into tide rip, let's first understand the word tide. Tides are the rise and fall of sea levels caused by the combined effects of gravitational forces exerted by the moon, sun, and the rotation of Earth. Simply put, tides are the reason why the sea appears to move up the shore and then retreat. Now, when we talk about rip in the context of water, we're often referring to a strong or turbulent flow of water. Have you ever seen water moving rapidly in a river or a channel? That's often described as a rip. So, when you combine these two concepts together, a tide rip refers to a turbulent water flow caused by the meeting of two tidal currents or by a tidal current crossing an underwater obstruction like a shoal. It can also happen when a tidal current flows into or out of a river mouth, bay, or other terrestrial feature. These rips can be dangerous for swimmers and boaters because of the sudden and unpredictable nature of the water flow. To understand any phrase, it's always great to see it in context. Here are a couple of examples. 1. Boaters should be cautious when navigating that area due to the tide rips. 2. I was mesmerized watching the tide rip create whirlpools in the bay. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, tide rip. The beauty of the English language is in its vastness and the stories each word or phrase carries. I hope this video shed some light on tide rip for you. Stay curious and keep learning.